Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something we all wrestle with at some point. Trusting God's plan, especially when life doesn't make any sense. If you've ever asked, why is this happening to me? Or God, where are you? Then this video is for you. Stick around because by the end I believe you'll see your situation in a whole new light. Segment 1, the question we all ask. Let's be honest, life is confusing sometimes. You pray, you believe, you try your best, and still things fall apart. You lose the job, the relationship ends, someone you love gets sick, and you're left wondering, God, are you even there? If you've ever prayed for something and got silence in return, you're not alone. Moses waited 40 years in the wilderness. Joseph was sold into slavery and thrown into prison before he ever saw the palace. Even Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane cried out, Father, if you are willing, take this cup from me. So if you're feeling confused or discouraged, breathe, you're in good company. Segment 2, God's timing isn't ours. Here's the thing, God's timing is not our timing. We live in a world that wants everything now. Instant results, instant answers. But God, He works in seasons, not seconds. Ecclesiastes 3:1 says, there is a time for everything and a season for every activity under the heavens. Sometimes God delays not to deny us, but to develop us, to shape our character, to prepare us for the blessing we're not quite ready to hold. Imagine giving a 10-year-old the keys to a Ferrari. It's not that you don't want them to enjoy the gift, it's that they're not ready for it yet. That's how God often works with us. Segment 3, the bigger picture. What we see is only a small part of a much bigger picture. Think of your life like a tapestry. On the front, it's beautiful. But if you look at the back, it's messy. Threads going in all directions. No order. That's what life feels like sometimes. Messy, confusing, but God sees the front. He knows how all the threads, your wins, your losses, your joy, your pain, are coming together to create something beautiful. Romans 8:28 says, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him. All things. Not just the good stuff. The hard seasons, the heartbreak, the confusion. God uses it all. Segment 4, real stories of faith. Let me tell you a quick story. There's a man named Nick Vujicic, born without arms or legs. Most people would have given up, but he trusted God's plan for his life. Today, he's a world-renowned speaker inspiring millions. Why? Because he didn't let his struggle define him. He let God use it. Or take someone like Corrie ten Boom, who survived the Holocaust and later spoke all over the world about forgiveness and faith. She once said, never be afraid to trust an unknown future to a known God. Your story might not look like theirs, but God is writing something powerful with your life too. Segment 5, what to do while you wait. If you're in a waiting season right now, here's what I want you to do. 1, stay close to God. Even when you don't feel Him, trust that He's near. 2, feed your faith. Read the Word. Pray. Surround yourself with faith-filled people. 3, keep moving. Don't freeze in fear. Take one step at a time. God directs moving feet. Waiting isn't passive. It's active. It's trusting God enough to keep going, even without all the answers. So today, whatever you're facing, hold on. God sees you. He hears you. He hasn't forgotten you. And in the right time, in His perfect way, He will make all things beautiful. If this video encouraged you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on faith, purpose, and hope. And drop a comment below. What's one way you've seen God work in your life, even when you didn't understand at first? Thanks for watching, and remember, God's not done with your story. Please, if you believing in the God, comment Amen.